Greetings, this is Learning English with Rahul Mahashabde. This video is meant for those who are appearing or taking competitive examination and learning vocabulary. Vocabulary is pivotal, for it plays significant role in appreciating easy and difficult comprehensions. Moreover, its role in decoding the simple and complex ideas cannot be ruled out. You may come across some of the persons who are not consistent, who are predictable, who say something at one point of time and suddenly changes their opinion suddenly. These people are unstable, unsteady, volatile and temperamental. They are fickle or mercurial. They are capricious. Today we are going to deal with the word capricious. Its spelling is CAPRICIOUS. Its pronunciation is capricious. It belongs to the word category of adjective, and the various word family are caprice, capricious, and capriciousness. The meaning of this word is inclined or disposed to sudden and unaccountable changes of mood or behavior. That means a person changes his behavior or mood without any rhyme or reason. Absolutely, there is no reason why he is doing so. Or it could be changing according to non-discernible or which are not known rules, which are absolutely unpredictable. So the climate is one of the best examples where we know that climate can change without any given reason. Some of the examples are a capricious climate. He is capricious, may change his opinion at any point. We should be firm in our behavior, not capricious. God is not capricious, although he seems. It is arbitrary, capricious and inconsistent. Then this particular word has also appeared in the press or in the various newspaper, and some of the examples I have taken. So first one is from the Hindu, that it says arbitrary, capricious on the Karnataka governor's decision. Second one is from the New Indian Express, which says crazy, chaotic, capricious norms of COVID travel. And the third one is again from the Hindu, which says Mistry says Ratan Tata's decision making is capricious. Even in the Encyclopedia Britannica, there is a mention of Yaksha, which says in the mythology of India, a class of generally benevolent but sometimes mischievous, capricious, sexually rapacious or even murderous nature spirits who are custodian of treasure that are hidden in earth and in the roots of the tree. So capricious is an adjective and it is derived from the noun caprice, which means whim or fancy, impulse. Hence capricious means impulsive or whimsical. A very common word, often used in frequent manner. You may come across this particular word while you read. You may come across in newspaper, in magazine, or even on the television or on the internet also. It is applied to weather, mood, behavior, climate and storm. So this is for today's session. We will meet again with a new word. Thank you very much. Bye bye.